This is Joe the Auto Guy today to show you how to fix your Chevy door handle that is broken off its studs. Very common repair on these things. All you're going to need to do is get some JB Weld mixed up, which we've already kind of pre-done here. And then with the actual door handle, all you're going to do is pull back on it, get it outside the car. So pull the door handle a little bit, get it out, and I'm going to place JB Weld onto just the studs that actually thread into the door itself. There's one more on the bottom. And if you can, get some in the plastic handle itself. And fit your door handle back in. And pound it in place. And just let it dry. Usually takes about, I wouldn't touch it for about an hour, but JB Weld varies in how you put it together. That's a quick, easy fix, just like that. We'll come back to it, see how it dried. And so the vehicle's been sitting a couple days. As you see, the handle now works properly. I will even lock it. Lock it, you can see the hand. It's in a couple days, and you can now see that the handle is in there. Even lock it, unlock it. And that's all you need. So a little JB Weld, it's all it took to fix that door handle, just like new. Thank you for watching Joe the Auto Guy. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Hope this video helped you, and you have a great day.